Check out all this awesome gear you can combo with the Adventure Kings queen size self-inflating mattress to get a better deal at checkout and to get all the right gear in the one go, ensuring you get the best possible night's sleep out camping. The most popular combo item with the queen size self-inflating mattress is the Adventure Kings Big Daddy Deluxe. It's designed to fit perfectly inside as an incredible update to the swag's included mattress. You can place it directly on top of the existing high-density foam mattress for maximum comfort, which is great for particularly rough terrain. No matter where you're planning to put your mattress, whether it's under an annex, in a tent or in a swag, the Adventure Kings 3x3 metre mesh floor is essential for keeping the dirt out of your sleeping area. Your camp will stay fresher for longer because most of the dirt will fall through the special weave design. Add an Adventure Kings winter-summer sleeping bag and you'll be able to tackle whatever the night's temperature has in store. It's got a removable inner layer if the weather's warmer and is -5 to 5 degrees rated. Another great combo item is the Adventure Kings Doona Pillow canvas bag, designed to protect your gear from the elements such as dust, dirt, insects and mold. It's perfect for storing bedding whilst travelling and there's heaps of room inside. Or you can add the Adventure Kings king size self-inflating mattress, which is made out of the same 100mm foam base, soft flock top and PVC flooring as the queen size mattress. And you'll have a comfy camping option for the kids too. How's that for an awesome family setup? The Adventure Kings queen size self-inflating mattress is an essential bit of camping gear for a brilliant night's sleep. And you can combo it with all this other great gear from 4-Wheel Drive Supacentre to not only save you money, but to ensure that your next trip is even more comfortable.